Wait. Yan mga friendship, I will plant my kamote. See my kamote? Yan, itatanim ko yung kamote sa aking planter. So here, tatanim natin ang kamote mga friendship. Let's see. Okay. Ayan mga friendship, may kamote na tayo. Okay, next. Meron din akong carrots. Let's try this small carrot. Okay, itanim natin si carrot here. Okay. Let's see kung magsasurvive si carrot, but kamote magsasurvive na siya. Ito, hihintayin ko pa siyang magdahon. Okay. Ayan ang mga friendship, si kamote, si carrot. Ayan, wait ko muna itong isa para magdahon. So here is my kamote, my sweet kamuti. What is this? Ay, yung ano niya. Let's see what's going on with that. Tatabunan ko para magtanim. Ito isa, hintayin natin. Then, check natin yung iba kong mga halaman. That's my calamansi, my tomatoes, eggplant, cherry tomato, eggplant, my sibuyas, my pepper, and my tomato. Yan. Just waiting for the right weather for them to be outside. Okay.